Aloha and welcome to the No'eau Center. This video will provide you with an introduction to our services. Our mission is to promote lifelong learning for students at all levels of ability to gain the skills necessary for effective, confident, and independent learning. We offer 3 main services: tutoring, testing, and workshops. To find out more about our current services or to schedule an appointment, check out our website at westoahu.hawaii.edu/No'eau Center or visit our virtual front desk at bit.ly/No'eau Center. Visit our website at westoahu.hawaii.edu/No'eau Center to view our most current hours at the bottom of the page. Our physical location can be found in room B203 on the second floor of the James and Abigail Campbell Library at the University of Hawaii, West Oahu. We offer free peer tutoring on campus or online for all enrolled students and try our best to provide support in all courses. We can also help with presentations, resume and job application materials, time management, and graduate and scholarship applications. We strive to help you achieve your educational goals. Up next, one of our tutors will provide you with some information about our tutoring program.
We can provide tutoring one-on-one or in groups. Zoom is our primary method for online tutoring sessions, as it allows for them to be conducted in real time, just like face-to-face. Screen sharing and virtual whiteboards allow us to share documents and resources as well. For writing, email feedback is also an option. You can send us a draft using our online submission form, input your info, and tell us what you'd like feedback on. It usually takes 2 to 3 business days to get your draft back, so please plan ahead. Students can book their own appointments via Starbounce. Go to this page and follow the video guide for help. Or, if you prefer, we can book for you. Reach out via phone at 808-689-2750 or email us at uhwowc@hawaii.edu so we can get you connected with a tutor.
Thanks for all the info. Up next, we have our No'eau Center Director and Tutor Coordinator, Dr. Robin Tasaka, with some important reminders.
Here are some tips to keep in mind. Be sure to schedule ahead of time. Once the semester's in full gear, spots for tutoring appointments fill up quickly. Tutors are your peers. They're students who have often taken the same classes you have and may have insights and advice they can share. If you can't find what you're looking for, contact us. We'll do our best to connect you with a resource.
Thanks, Robin. As mentioned earlier, we also offer testing services. Here is our No'eau Center Testing Coordinator, Leslie Opulaoho, with some information about our testing services.
The Test Center provides service to all University of Hawaii students. We proctor both online and in-person tests, including placement testing, course exams, makeup exams, tests that require accommodations, CLEP, and ATITs. A valid photo ID is required to access your exam materials, and you can schedule your appointment online at registerblast.com/UH West Oahu.
Thanks, Leslie. Next, here's Jessica Stenstrom to talk about workshops.
In addition to tutoring and testing, we also offer a series of online student success workshops. Our online workshops cover an array of topics, including avoiding plagiarism, G Suite tools like Google Drive and Google Calendar, APA formatting, and more. You can access these workshops through the No'eau Center website, and each workshop is linked to a quiz if you want to show a professor proof of completion. Try one of our interactive workshops today.
Thanks, Jessica. Thank you for watching. If you need proof of completion or would like to test your knowledge, please complete the quiz below. If you have any questions, you can contact us in these ways below. Aloha!